In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a WhatsApp marketing automation to collect product reviews from your customers a few days after they might have received the product. Go to WhatsApp marketing and automations and click on create new automations using Shopify events. I've already created a sample automation for you to show you how this works. We've given the automation a name, and the way this works is we're going to choose the event trigger. Um, Typically, you want to select the order fulfilled event. In case you are using a logistics app that is updating the delivered status in your Shopify order on the order page, then you can use the successfully delivered event. But let's say you're using the order fulfilled event. What we want to do is we want to send a message maybe 7 to 10 days after the order is fulfilled. So you're sure that the product has been received by the customer and they have had a chance to take a look at it and maybe experience it. Maybe it could be 15 days instead. And then you simply select a template that you want to send asking for review. Now I'll explain the nuances in this automation and how Delight Chat solves for it. As you can see in this template, we are saying, hey, thank you for your recent purchase, something, something, we want to get your feedback. This is a default template that you can find in the help article of this page. We've added product and link as variables here. And as you know, we have to create the WhatsApp template in advance, which means I could have a template which contains just one product here, like this. Or I could have a template which contains two products, but I'll have to define that in advance in the WhatsApp template itself. So let's say most of the orders in your store contain 3 or 4 products at max. Let's say 90% of them contain 4 products. What you want to do is you want to create 4 different automations. The first one would be for one product. There would be another one for 2 products, another one for 3 products, and another one for 4 products. Because we would be using a different message template for each case. And how we would separate them is for the one product case or the n product case, we'll create an entry condition and say count of unique products in this order is equal to 1. In the other automation, we'll say 2, 3, and 4. So let's say this is the automation that we've created, which should go in case the customer ordered 2 products in their order. There were 2 different unique products that were part of their order. I'll go ahead and select the template that contains the provision to contain 2 different product text and link here, and we'll set up the variables. Fairly straightforward. Here 3 and 4 are dynamically available now as product 1 name and product 1 URL. 5 and 6 can be product 2 name and product 2 URL. And similarly, had I chosen equals to 3 here, equals to 4 here, there would be product 3 name, product 3 URL, product 4 name, product 4 URL. You get the idea. So you would create separate automations depending on the number of products in the order. And that's it. Hit save. In case you're using a review app like Judge Me, for instance, what you might want to do is you want to use value plus text, put product URL here, and add Judge Me at the end. What this does is when you open a product page URL with this hashtag at the end of the URL, it automatically takes the customer to the review section of the page. Now for different review apps, this hashtag might be different. You could just ask your review app, hey, what should I add to the end of the URL so that a person landing on the product page automatically reaches the review widget or review section of the page. And you can just configure it this way where you select value plus text, put the variable here, so the URL will be here, and we will append this text behind the URL so that when the customer clicks on the message here in Delight Chat's WhatsApp message, they would directly land in your product page and be scrolled down to the review section. So that's it. There's a companion help article in case you have any questions. I know this is a little complex, but I hope this video has helped you set it up. As usual, if you have any questions, let us know and we'll help you.